Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add authentication app in Binance. So if you also want to add authentication app in Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you add authentication app in Binance, your account will have extra layer of security. So adding the authentication app is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. At top, you'll be able to see your account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the account center. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for VIP privilege, verification, security, Twitter. Simply tap on the third option, that is security. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the security interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for passkeys, authenticator app, email, password, etc. Simply tap on the second option, that is authenticator app. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the authenticator app from here. Instead of waiting for text messages, you'll be able to get verification codes from an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Binance Authenticator, etc. Simply tap on the enable option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to link an authenticator. Over here, first of all, you'll be able to get a 16-digit key. You can also get the QR code over here. If you want, you can also scan the QR code, or you can also copy the 16-digit code and add it to the authenticator app. If you want to copy the code, what you have to do is tap on the copy option that you can see right next to the 16-digit key. Now you can see over here the key has been copied. Now what you have to do is launch open Google Authenticator application. If you do not have this application, you'll be able to download it from Play Store and App Store. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. So in this interface, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find the options for scan a QR code, enter a setup key. Simply tap on the option enter a setup key. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to enter your key over here. Simply tap on the option your key. Now paste the key that we copied earlier. Also, you'll have to enter the code name. Simply enter Binance. You can also choose the type of key. You'll be able to find the option for time-based and counter-based. Simply tap on the option of your choice. After that, what you have to do is tap on the add option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, go back to the Binance application. Now what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app. For that, simply go to the Authenticator app again. You'll be able to see the code for Binance over here. Memorize this code or copy this code. Now come back to the Binance application. Now enter that code over here. After that, tap on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the Authenticator app will be added in Binance. Like this, you'll be able to add the authentication app in Binance. So that is how you add authentication app in Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.